did a couple of times.
I mean, I guess at least he apologizing. Because he never did in the books.
We should go.
There's so many things I want to say to you.
Like what?
Not now.
Why?
Yeah. No, it's too late. It's too late.
Because you really need
You
somebody
better.
right now in your life.
Billy?
I don't want to be the kind of person who takes advantage of that.
I don't just need somebody.
Excuse me?
I need you.
Oh. Oh, now all of a sudden you need her.
I want you to want me.
I do want you.
Are you serious right now? No. They better not be fixing to. No. Don't. I mean, you were just kissing his brother 5